I believe this is the third shadow figure that I have opened. You see there's the ambush shadow. There's the sort of electronic talking one. There's this guy. I guess I could look at the names on the back here. Sorry, lightning. No. Transforming is who we have. Yeah, ambush shadow. Bulletproof shadow. Dr. Maquino, and I'm holding Transforming Lamont Cranston with Snap-on Shadow Armor by Kenner Toys in Cincinnati, Ohio from 1994. So this is a cool guy, and the reason this is like the fourth shadow figure I've opened, which is kind of excuse me, is that they're pretty cheap. You get them for $5 or less. And it's actually kind of a cool toy line. I still haven't watched the movie. It stars Alec Baldwin as the Shadow. You might know him as Donald Trump on Saturday Night Live. But this one sometimes gets confused for Bruce Wayne, like just a loose figure, because also a Kenner toy, the Batman line. And there's a transforming Bruce Wayne, but he is different. So you got some coattails there. And so what's cool about him is you take his coattails off, which that just kind of falls right off. You push his head down into his body, so that's kind of a funny thing anyway. I gotta get these guys out of here. So it's kind of cool how Kenner used some of its similar ideas from other lines. So this is kind of like with the Superpowers Dark Side, where the light shines through the head and it comes out the eyes. So we'll unfold this cape here. So there he is. Yeah, I really should watch this movie before I open any more of these. I actually have 2 more for sale. Maybe I'll open one. But the Shadow's obviously based off a radio program from a long time ago. It says, "Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men? The Shadow knows." It's kind of like Batman. He's a billionaire playboy, although he has mysterious mind control powers. So he can transform into the Shadow. So he actually has superpowers, unlike Batman, who's just smart and rich and handsome and a detective. Alright, so there he is. I guess you don't put the coattails on when he's the Shadow. I guess the Shadow doesn't have coattails. He's not that fancy. Gloves not really wanting to go on. There we go. Alright, so there he is, transforming Lamont Cranston with Snap-on Shadow Armor. Kind of a different one, definitely not as cool as that guy or this guy. This guy is the best. Still works after all these years, but he's still pretty cool. He's got a cape, kind of like that guy back there in the back. He's lurking in the shadow, hence the name. But let's take this off. So there he is, Alec Baldwin. Maybe I can customize this and make this into a Donald Trump. I don't know, he's just a little too nice for Donald Trump. He needs like a really long tie and a bad haircut. So thanks for watching. This was The Shadow, transforming Lamont Cranston from Kenner Toys, 1994. Don't lose your head.